Hi, I'm Mike Doolan. I'm the Sales and Partnerships Manager for LoCaL Homes. Clients are changing the way they build. There's now a shift towards a more sustainable method of construction, and it's been recognised that offsite and MMC are the way forward.
We're here today at LoCaL Homes to see our product weberwall brick being applied to the final panels for a LoCaL Homes project.
The client wanted to try different methods of construction, and we proposed using a total offsite solution using the weberwall brick system. One of the key drivers was speed of construction on this project. We've been able to provide the weberwall brick as a real alternative to a traditional brick construction. By using our closed panel system complemented by the weberwall brick, we're greatly reducing other things on site, such as skips, silos, and all the movement of traffic and transportation.
Weberwall brick can actually be installed up to 3 times faster than traditional brick slip. Over the course of a square metre, weberwall brick is actually 20 kilos lighter than alternative brick slip finish. Over the course of 100 square metres, that equates to equivalent to 2 tonnes. So that's 2 tonnes less weight on the frame and on the foundations. So this project is a great example of how traditional finishes can be expertly integrated with modern methods of construction.